I had severe cystic acne for years, tried antibiotics, expensive creams, nothing worked. Then I discovered the real problem wasn't my skin, it was what I was putting into my body. Once I fixed that, my acne disappeared in weeks. If you've tried everything and still break out, this will change everything. I'll show you the 3 root causes of acne no one talks about, and how to fix them permanently. Most guys see a pimple and buy stronger products. Maybe it helps a little, but the acne keeps coming back because acne isn't a skin problem, it's an internal problem. When something's wrong inside, inflammation, hormones, gut issues, your skin reflects it. Stop treating your face, start treating your body. Root cause 1. Your diet is destroying your skin. Let me be blunt, if you're eating like crap, your skin will look like crap. The biggest acne triggers: sugar, refined carbs, dairy, and seed oils. These 4 things spike your insulin, increase inflammation, and clog your pores from the inside out. Here's what happens. You eat a bowl of cereal, a sandwich, or a bag of chips. Your blood sugar spikes. Your body releases insulin to bring it down. But high insulin also triggers your oil glands to produce more sebum. That's the oily stuff that clogs your pores and causes acne. On top of that, sugar and seed oils create inflammation in your gut, and gut inflammation leads to skin inflammation. It's a direct line. Dairy is another killer. Milk contains hormones that mess with your testosterone and increase oil production. Even if you're not lactose intolerant, dairy can wreck your skin. So here's what you do. Cut out sugar and refined carbs. No soda, candy, white bread, pasta, or processed snacks. If it comes in a bag or a box, avoid it. Eliminate dairy for 30 days. No milk, cheese, yogurt, or whey protein. See how your skin reacts. Most guys see massive improvement. Ditch seed oils. That means no canola oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, or vegetable oil. These oils are in almost every processed food. Chips, fries, packaged meals. Cook with olive oil, coconut oil, or butter instead. Eat whole foods. Meat, eggs, fish, vegetables, fruits, nuts. The closer your food is to its natural form, the better your skin will look. I know this sounds extreme, but if you've tried everything else and nothing's worked, this is the answer. Your diet is either feeding your acne or starving it. Choose wisely. Root cause 2. Your hormones are out of control. Acne is a hormonal issue. Specifically, it's caused by excess androgens, testosterone, and DHT. Now, testosterone itself isn't bad. You need it to build muscle, stay confident, and look masculine. But when your body produces too much DHT, a powerful form of testosterone, your oil glands go into overdrive. This is why teenagers get acne during puberty. Their androgen levels spike, their skin gets oily, and boom, breakouts everywhere. But here's the thing. If you're in your 20s or 30s and still breaking out, your hormones are probably imbalanced. And the biggest culprit? Insulin resistance. When you eat too much sugar and carbs, your insulin stays elevated. High insulin increases androgen production. More androgens mean more oil. More oil means more acne. So fixing your diet, like I just explained, will also fix your hormones. But there's more you can do. Supplement with zinc. Zinc regulates oil production and lowers DHT levels. Take 30 to 50 milligrams per day. You can get it from red meat, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, or a supplement. Get enough vitamin D. Low vitamin D is linked to acne and inflammation. Get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight every day. If you can't, take 2,000 to 4,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily. Manage stress. Stress raises cortisol, which throws your hormones out of balance and triggers breakouts. Exercise, meditate, sleep well, and stop worrying about things you can't control. Lower your body fat. If you're overweight, your body produces more estrogen, which messes with your testosterone balance. Lose the fat and your hormones will stabilize. Fix your hormones and your skin will follow. Root cause 3. Your gut is inflamed. This is the one most guys never think about, but your gut health and your skin health are directly connected. If your gut is inflamed, from bad diet, antibiotics, stress, or poor digestion, it shows up on your face. Acne, redness, dryness, sensitivity, all signs of gut issues. Here's why. When your gut lining is damaged, toxins and bacteria leak into your bloodstream. Your body sees this as a threat and triggers an immune response. That immune response causes inflammation, and inflammation causes acne. This is called leaky gut syndrome, and it's way more common than you think. So how do you fix it? Eat more fiber. Fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Eat vegetables, fruits, oats, and legumes. Aim for 25 to 30 grams per day. Take a probiotic. Probiotics restore healthy gut bacteria. Look for one with at least 10 billion CFUs and multiple strains. Take it daily for at least 30 days. Avoid antibiotics unless absolutely necessary. Antibiotics kill both bad and good bacteria in your gut. If you've been on antibiotics for acne, that might be why your skin isn't healing. Drink more water. Hydration helps flush toxins out of your system and keeps your digestion running smoothly. Drink at least 8 glasses a day. Cut out alcohol. Alcohol damages your gut lining and increases inflammation. If you're serious about clear skin, cut it out for at least 30 days. Heal your gut and your skin will heal with it. The external routine. Keep it simple. Now that we've covered the internal fixes, let's talk about what you should do externally. Because yes, skincare still matters, but it's not the main solution. Here's the routine. Morning. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Night. Wash your face again. Apply a retinoid or retinol serum to help with cell turnover and prevent clogged pores. Moisturize. That's it. No 10-step routine, no expensive serums, just clean, moisturize, protect. If you have active breakouts, you can use benzoyl peroxide 2.5% as a spot treatment. Don't overdo it. It's drying and can irritate your skin. And here's what not to do. Don't scrub your face. Physical exfoliants like apricot scrubs damage your skin and make acne worse. Don't pop your pimples. You'll spread bacteria, cause scarring, and make the breakout worse. Don't overwash. Washing your face more than twice a day strips your natural oils and causes your skin to produce even more oil. Don't use hot water. It dries out your skin. Use lukewarm water instead. Keep it simple. Your skin doesn't need 15 products. It needs consistency and balance. The secret weapon, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5. Here's something most people don't know. Vitamin B5, also called pantothenic acid, can dramatically reduce acne. B5 helps your skin retain moisture, strengthens your skin barrier, and reduces oil production. Some guys have cleared their acne completely by taking high doses of B5 for a few months. The typical dose is 1 to 2 grams per day, split into multiple doses. You can find it in supplement form. It's cheap, safe, and effective. The only side effect? You might get diarrhea if you take too much. But compared to Accutane, which can cause dry eyes, mood swings, and liver damage, B5 is a no-brainer. Try it for 60 to 90 days and see how your skin responds. Fixing your acne is about fixing what's inside your body. Cut sugar, dairy, and seed oils. Balance hormones with zinc and vitamin D. Heal your gut with fiber and probiotics. Your skin will clear faster than you think. Ready to level up? Subscribe and check the link in the description.